If you want to call and set up a voicemail on a Motorola Moto G56, then first of all we need to open the phone app. Now over here what you need to do is open the dialing keypad like this, and now most of the time you can simply just press and hold number 1 in order to speed dial the voicemail. And then you can listen to the voicemail and follow the instructions in order to set it up or listen to the voicemail messages. If you cannot reach the voicemail, you might have an incorrect voicemail number entered in the settings. So in order to check that out and eventually fix it, we can tap on these 3 dots over here in the top right corner and open settings. Then go to voicemail, advanced settings, choose the setup option, and there we go. Here we have the voicemail number, which we can of course edit. And then you can change the speed dial number to voicemail. If you don't know what voicemail number you should enter over here, then you have 2 options. So generally speaking, you can either try to contact your carrier or service provider in order to ask them what is the voicemail number, or you can also just try to Google that information. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.